living out.
Get good at diving. That's when you start, you know. See, but thing right there, baby. I'll probably need another stick of wire. Okay. Later on,
Cage is officially done, welded, painted, everything's good. It looks fucking immaculate. It looks so good. I cannot thank Dan enough for welding, everybody for putting in an effort. Honestly, man, like everybody put in effort. Thomas got some camera footage, Cameron was here. Dude, everybody put in effort, man.